Hey guys, welcome to our videos. None other than your Joseph. In this video, I'm gonna be quickly unboxing Realme Buds Wireless guys, and a detailed review also because I'm using it from last 2 months, and I'm gonna be telling you should buy it for 1800 rupees, or you should be checking out MI's offerings, and Noise also have some offerings, decent ones also. You should be going for them, or you should be buying this for 1800 rupees. And I recently changed my channel name from all-in-one videos to tech with info. Comment down below how did you like it. And I know I'm talking too much, and let's get into the video. Let's start the video. Okay guys, here is the box itself. First it says Realme Buds Wireless Real Base Unwired, and side it says Realme. And main, I'm gonna be telling you about the main highlights of this, main specifications. First, it has a magnetic controls, means you doesn't need to press every time you on it. You doesn't need to press the button to on it. It automatically, when you detach your wireless earphones, you automatically connect to your device what you paid at last time. That's why. And it has 11.2 mm bass boost drivers. They are calling it bass boost drivers. I don't know why the companies are giving this much fancy drivers. They can just say they are drivers behind the sound. And it has they are promising that they are giving 12 hours battery backup. It's hard. I'm gonna be quickly, after in the end of this video, I'm gonna be telling you what's the truth. And it has a spread proof, means it has a IPX4 rating. Means you can splash little splashes of you. Not right away. Water also it can hold up, but if you dip it in water, this doesn't gonna survive at all. Don't try this at home. And it has a Bluetooth 4.0 support. Yeah, mostly of your phones, recently launched phones have 5.2. Actually, the old phones, some of them also have them. In the box, it says 1999, but you can get it for 1800 rupees. Down, I give the links also. If you want, you can go and check it out them also. And it is made up from metal. Yeah, mostly it feels like metal, and it's rubber, and it has a braided cable for better durability. Not from easy cuts. You can't cut it easily. I tried with the scissors and it's hard. Luckily I didn't damage it. I just tried and it doesn't, and I can show you that it doesn't gonna cut easily and remove also tear off. I'm using it from last 2 to 3 months. I brought it around at December. Yeah, it's 3 months nearly. Yeah, 3 months we can say, and I'm personally using it. And I can promise you one thing, the sound clarity is one of the best around this prices also. Around 2K, you can go up to 3K. This has only one competitor in form of sound clarity. That's OnePlus's Bullet 2, and sometimes this 2000 rupees earphones passes those also. That's a really good optimized sound also. And the main thing is battery life. They are coming at 12-hour battery life. Honestly saying, it doesn't last at the medium 50% to 40% range also. It can last around, you put it around 50% volume, it can last up to 10 to 11 hours. No more than 12. I tried it. It's really hard. But I personally use around 70 to 80%, and sometimes when I'm listening songs, around 20 to 30 minutes I'm gonna be cranking up to 100%. And trust me, when I use it from daily, I'm using it from last 3 months and I'm getting it daily. I'm a very heavy user, that's why I'm getting it easily. I can pass a day with this. I'm getting nearly 8 hours, yeah, 7 to 9 hours approx in between of this, literally 8. I'm a very rough user. I usually listen something around 70 to 80% volume, and sometimes around per day for 1 hour or 40 minutes I'm gonna be cranking the volume to 100% for listening some songs, and it is giving a 8 hours battery approx. You can guess it from 7 hours to 8 hours. In terms of users, you are a heavy user, you always listen, means you can get it for around 8 hours. Like me, I'm a very heavy user. I always put this in my ears only. Right now I'm shooting this video also, for noise cancellation I'm using this in my ears, and trust me, it works fully. And it has a very deep bass, and it has a good vocals also. This main purpose is bass. The vocals are good for this price, but not the best. But the price is only 2k, not 2k also. It's only 1800 rupees. It's very less. That's why I can easily, it has one of the best vocals around this price. But we can't say around 3k. This is not the best, but for the value overall package you are getting only for around 2000 rupees. It's good, and it has a fully aluminium body. I don't know it's aluminium or it's only metal. I think so, yeah, it's metal, not aluminium. It is one of the best qualities. Also, you can easily buy it around this is one of the best for this. It has a deep basses also. I recommend you to adjust some, crank it up and decrease the volume bass if you want. Around 100% the bass gets shattered little bit, the vocals also get shattered. I recommend to around 80% to 90% volume. You can get a good experience with this, and I hope you like this video. Any doubts you can easily comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting content like this. You can wait it. You can go subscribe my videos and you can see my other videos also if you like too much. And please like this video and ask me what do you want next. And thanks for watching my video, and signing off with Joseph. Bye bye with Tech with Info.